We are having one more example to understand the concept of arithmetic mean in case of individual series. Let us understand with the help of this example. It is saying to encourage the reading habit, Bright Future School records the number of the books read by the students every month. The librarian calculates the arithmetic mean to compare the reading habits of different students and to select the reader of the month. Ria borrowed the following number of books over 6 months: 5, 8, 6, 9, 7, and 11. Find the arithmetic mean of the books read. If Ria reads 13 books in the 7th month, calculate the new mean also. For this, we are having, first of all, let us write here. So, we are having here, let us start with the solution here. Calculation of the arithmetic mean of the books read by Ria. Okay. So formula for calculation is sum total of all the observations by number of observations. Okay. So total books borrowed by Ria were 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 11, which is equals to 46. Whereas total number of observations as per the question is 6. Being 6 month, she has read this number of books. Okay. Now, putting the formula we are writing here. So, arithmetic mean will be 46 as the total number of books read by Ria in last 6 months was 46 and number of month is 16. Sorry, 6. So, we are going to write here 6 and total after dividing this 46 by 6, we are getting like 7.66. Okay. Now, let's move to the next part of the question. If in the 7th month she took 13 books, then 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 will make 59 books, which she must have read in the 7-month question is saying. So, in total 7 months she must have read. And the number of observation as per the question here is 7. So, we are going to write here 7. Okay. So, again putting the formula, we are having new arithmetic mean will be 59 upon 7. That will be equals to the 8.42. I hope everything will be clear up to here. Thank you.